Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I do my sort of everyday messy bun. This is a bun that I find is really easy to do, especially on days when I'm deep conditioning, but I also like to use it a lot in the winter as a protective style. So I'm just going to show you how I do it and we will get started. I just got out of the shower. Like I said, I am deep conditioning, so on days when I deep condition and I'm just gonna leave the conditioner in my hair, I like to use two main products. The first product that I like to use is this one. This is Aussie Conditioner. I love this stuff. I like to use the orange one, which is Aussie Smooth. So I'll put like, I think I counted 10 pumps of this in my hair before I put the deep conditioner in, and I do that just so that my hair keeps the slip and I'm able to really make sure I worked the deep conditioner into my hair, and I don't think that it really blocks the deep conditioner. So if you watched my December favorites video, you saw me talk about this and it's still wet from the shower, but this is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I absolutely love this and it's absolutely amazing. It's really thick, almost like a super heavy pudding consistency. Yeah, I just glop, I would say about a quarter cup of that into my hair. So that's what I've got. This is how my hair is looking. So it's pretty saturated and obviously I can't really go out like this. So what I'm gonna do is take my hair tie. This is a hair tie that I've had for a long time. I bought them, I think I bought them at Target, and again, the Glam Twins have talked about these, but they basically look like pantyhose. I bet you could make them from pantyhose just cutting them, but I love it because it doesn't get as tangled in my hair and it doesn't have the metal piece. Forgive me, I do have a few hairs on this thing, but it kind of just winds up like that, and I just absolutely love these things. So this is what I'm going to use, and I'm pretty sure this is all I'm going to need to use today. So what I'm going to do is gather up my hair around the edges. Once I do this, I kind of know whether or not I think I need to add something around the edges. And if I want to add something, even though I'm deep conditioning, what I'll add is an oil. So I like this one, I like argan oil, this one is the Garnier Fructis, again, in my everyday hair routine video. I talked about this one, so you can go get the specifics from that. But I'll use something like that just around the edges to make it look slick. And basically, I'm just raking my hands through my hair. You can see all the excess product through my hair and bringing it up past the crest of my crown and into the middle of my head. Okay, once I feel like I've got it up that high, almost like you would make a ponytail, keep it pretty tight in one hand, and I'm going to start working the hair tie in. Now on this part, I don't really worry about moving it all the way around the hair because this is a messy bun look that I want. So then I'm just going to adjust the hair and kind of see what I've got. Let me go look in the mirror and we'll make some changes. Okay, I am actually pretty happy with this. I might take some of these extra hairs that are sticking out and flip them behind and tuck them in, just back into the hair tie. But that's pretty much how this look is going to go for me. Like I said, you can kind of move it, adjust it, do whatever you want to do, but this is what I'll do. So then if I'm feeling like, okay, I'm not sure that I like the way my hair looks, I'm not sure that I like the way my edges look again, I might wear a headband, one of the headbands that I absolutely adore that I've had for a while. And then I just found them again at Michael's. It took me forever to find more. These, again, I'm pretty sure you could make this. I've seen this kind of sparkly elastic at the craft store or the fabric store, and I feel like they basically just tied a knot in it. But I really liked it, and I'll just basically work this on my head. So I'll put it on this way, touch it to my forehead, touch it to the back, and just push back a little bit right behind my ears. And I feel like that just gives it another cute look. So this is a great protective style, like I said, for the winter time. Super quick, super easy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please click the like button, and I would love it if you would subscribe so that you can see more videos like this. Have a great day.